So we're given that the function at 2 is equal to 3 and its derivative at 2 is equal to 7. We weren't actually given the function, but that's all we need in order to find the tangent line at x equals 2. Because our derivative gives us the slope, so we're looking for a linear function with a slope of 7. And this information right here actually gives us the point, because this is the x, this is the y, so we want a line with a slope of 7 going through the point 2, 3. And if we wanted to do point slope form, we could do y minus 3 equals 7 times x minus 2. Or if we want it in point slope form, we could just solve this for y. So over here we have 7x minus 14. We'll add the 3 to both sides, and we get y equals 7x minus 11 is our tangent line. So again, all you need to find the tangent line is the value of the derivative, because that's your slope, and then the point that the tangent line is passing through.